Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2022 GMC 1500 Elevation. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, heated front seats. This Elevation has cruise control, air conditioning, satellite radio, and of course Bluetooth. This black Elevation has the 5.3 liter paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. With a spacious rear passenger compartment with seating for 3. Also has the GMC molded floor mats and a couple of USB ports. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2022 GMC Elevation, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.